All right, folks, it's January 26th. We have been having some outrageous weather with 34 degrees last night. Unfortunately, so many of our materials need at least 50 degrees to set up. So it has impeded a lot of our work. Cory, though, has managed to, he's painted the floor. This gives him a good idea of how level everything is and will allow us to have a clean substrate before we start laying down the foam barrier and then the flooring. And he hasn't moved real fast on the ceiling because, again, he's using things like the Gorilla Glue and the pourable foam, which really do need a little bit of heat to be able to set up. And so the weather's been a little bit counterintuitive to our plans. But it's amazing how just a fresh coat of paint makes everything feel so much better. We continue to move forward. It's slow, it's a lot, but it is January 27th, and we've made one step closer to having a camper. Am I funny? Yeah. So you did get the step in, and it is pretty, it's nice and
bear trappish like it was before.
Yeah, that's nice.
Remember before you'd step there and all the floor would open up, and then you'd step on the floor
and it, oh, I can't do that one-handed. Yeah, there, like that. Yep. So, and up and in. Yay, that's one step closer to something. And what else have you been working on?
Gluing back this wall, all the delaminated sheets, so I have something to glue to put this next panel up.
Took the antenna off?
Just a handle for now, but this will come off, that'll go out, and then I have to seal the roof here, and I have to seal this whole thing.
And most likely we're going to seal this too. We're just going to put the panel over and...
Yeah, we were trying to come up with something, ingenious, or, even a little table that folds out, or have electric or gas or something,
to use that access hole,
but... a little mini bar, but the refrigerator goes here and faces this way, and that's just, yeah. Yeah, I mean, you're dealing with that much space, and I kind of wanted some of it insulated, and it was too much, so we're just going to seal that up.
That'll be good. And then you're still working on the ceiling, I see.
Got the majority of it contact cemented, and then I'm coming back with either Gorilla Glue or urethane sealant to seal up the edges, because for whatever reason that contact adhesive just doesn't like to work on the ends. So getting all that together, I'll sand this as flat as I can. We'll paint it a gloss to match this, and then if you wanted to do the maps or whatever over it, we can do that. Bathroom is still moving forward. We'll vinyl wallpaper adhesive all of this, the ceiling and everything, and we've decided a different surround for the tub. The old one is old and cracking apart, and to replace it, you're looking at $300 for this little tiny surround. We found some plastic sheeting
and seams for the plastic sheeting.
Like $25 a sheet, so for two sheets and some adhesive for 20 bucks. I think we can do a nice watertight surround and save ourselves a little bit of money there.
Yeah. And we're kind of still discussing possible doors and and all of that. So we'll see
So the old door,
what we come up with.
The old door was here and it was at an angle. Again, we're taking in some of the bathroom to give us more living space area. And we're just trying to figure out what's the best use for a door in this area. We're discussing either having a sliding door that goes back this way, almost like a pocket door, except it would be on the outside edge. Pocket doors for here, even we need wall space too. We need electric and different things, so we're just trying to figure that out. Figure how we tie it into this wall here, and just so
we get the best use out of our limited space, and for it to not feel claustrophobic. I really think the light colors are going to help with that.
That helps make it feel bigger, brighter. Everything was so dark in here before.
Always an adventure.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, that's not the right.
No, always an adventure.
Always.
Always. Forever.
And ever.
It never,
And ever.
It never is.
Oh, God.
The adventure just keeps going.